Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks location not verified error. First, open your phone settings, then go to location services. Then select allow while using the app, click PrizePicks and select allow while using the app. Then disable any VPN on your phone. Next, you're going to close this app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for PrizePicks, swipe it away completely, wait for a few while, restart the device and then reopen it. Then head over to your app store or your play store, search for PrizePicks and install it. Sometimes issues like your location not verified happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Installing the latest version, make sure you have all the latest files and bug fixes. That's how to fix the PrizePicks location not verified error. Subscribe for more fixes.